Another one. Another one.
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Fayette, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Tucker County in northeastern West Virginia, Preston County in northeastern West Virginia, until 4:30 p.m.
Holy crap, wow, it's dark.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kingwood to near Buckhannon, moving southeast at 65
Wow,
miles
it's
per
dark
hour.
outside.
Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Kingwood, Parsons, Terra Alta, Davis, Thomas, Rollsburg, Farmington, Newburgh, Hendricks, Hamilton, Seven Springs, Albright. This includes Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 22 and 31. These storms have a history of producing damaging wind gusts. Move indoors immediately and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.